Hello, Dr. J here. I'll be talking about batteries. You most likely grew up with many portable electronic products requiring batteries to power your electronic gadgets. However, when I talk about a battery, I am actually referring to those electrochemical DC power source having multiple cells, where each cell has about 1.25 to 2 volts. Primary batteries have electrolytes, which can be dry or wet. On the other hand, secondary batteries are rechargeable and are liquid or paste-like electrolytes. The amount of power a battery can deliver is described as an amp-hour. In a battery, to produce an electrical current, you need a chemical reaction. In fact, many batteries are defined by the types of chemical material they use. Let's consider the battery types. For example, let's say a flashlight battery, which has zinc, and are usually not recommended for electronic projects. This is because, depending on the application, alkaline batteries usually last 300 to 800% longer than zinc batteries. NiCad or Nickel-Cadmium batteries are popular rechargeable batteries. Since these NiCad batteries suffer from a memory effect, you should fully discharge them before recharging. Then found in automobiles are lead-acid batteries and are also good for heavy-duty work. For uninterruptible power supplies or UPS that is applying 120 volts of AC power, you have gelled electrolyte batteries when power failure is unacceptable, such as a burglar alarm system and emergency lights. Found in your laptop computers or mobile devices are expensive lithium batteries, where you need a small amount of power for long periods of times. As mentioned earlier about battery ratings, amp hours describe the battery's delivery power. So let's take, for example, what is meant by a 5 amp hour battery. It does not necessarily mean that a battery dies after 1 hour when continuously delivering 5 amps. It does mean, however, you may destroy a battery when operating at max current for 1 hour. You can run 50 milliamps of current for 100 hours, since 50 milliamps times 100 hours equal 5 amp hours. You can also run 500 milliamps of current for 10 hours, since the product of these two numbers is also 5 amp hours. Now, when you have a project requiring 1 to 2 amps, then a 5 amp hour battery may be a good choice. Nevertheless, you should avoid excessive drain to extending its operating life and increase the number of charge and discharge cycles. The next video will talk about battery care and recharging batteries.